Hello, I am Lucia Breimer.
And I am Bobby Corley. We are the founders and co-owners of
Stars and Science Austin. We bring science fun to you.
These interactive experiences spark curiosity and inspire a deeper appreciation and understanding of science in a fun way for your summer campers. Here are the director and staff from Goddard School Round Rock sharing their campers' experience.
Hi, this is Sarah Kelly. I'm one of the directors at the Goddard School in Round Rock, and I'm happy to say that with the experience we've had over the past few years with our planetarium, it's been wonderful to receive all the positive feedback from our teachers. It's exciting to hear all of our children talk about it with their parents as they're being picked up for the day, and with all of the learning that we can continue with adding upon what they've learned. As the Goddard School is an inquiry-based learning, we can build upon all of the skills and the new concepts that the children are learning about while they're in the planetarium. So we would highly recommend this for your school and for parties, for anything. I think that all ages really enjoy this.
Hi, I'm Maria Waweko. I'm one of the directors here at the Goddard School of Round Rock. And I'm also the curriculum coordinator of the school. This is our second year at Stars and Science Austin, and we are so happy. Especially the summer camp, we always ask them to come in. The kids talk about it. They love talking about it to their parents, and we will be happy to recommend them. We are always happy with all their learning experience they're giving to the kids. Planetarium is one of the things that they love to study about.
I'm Christopher, the school age teacher for Goddard in Round Rock, and we just got visited by the Stars and Science Austin Planetarium. The kids really enjoyed it, and they enjoyed being able to visually see where the planets are in the night sky in a realistic environment. Because most times when you see it through a book, it's flat, but actually see it in 3D helps the kids understand space, time, and distance. And I recommend other places have Stars and Science Austin come visit, because it was very helpful for the kids. They really enjoyed it, and they just wish it lasted longer.
Want to be part of the fun? We would love an opportunity to showcase the wonders of the night sky to your campers with our Mobile Planetarium. We also have other programs for you and your campers, such as hands-on science activities, solar observing, and birthday parties. For overnight campers, we offer stargazing with our telescopes. Check out our website, starsandscienceaustin.com, for more information. You can also reach us at 512-333-4724 or info@starsandscienceaustin.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for our latest cosmic adventures.